What exactly is cryptocurrency? If you've ever heard names like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin, but weren't really sure what they are, then this video is for you. Let's unpack the world of digital money together. Unpack English. Study smart, don't study hard. So, what is cryptocurrency? Think of it as digital money. It doesn't exist as paper bills or metal coins, it only lives online. But here's the key difference. Unlike the dollars, euros, or yen you're used to, cryptocurrency isn't controlled by a central bank or a government. It's decentralized, which means it's managed by a network of computers spread all across the globe. This makes it a global form of money that isn't tied to any single country. The magic that makes all of this possible is a technology called the blockchain. Imagine a digital notebook or ledger, a list of every single transaction ever made. This ledger is shared with everyone on the network so anyone can see and verify it. Each page in this notebook is called a block, and it holds information about a batch of transactions. These blocks are then chained together in chronological order using advanced cryptography, which makes them incredibly secure. Once a block is added to the chain, it's almost impossible to change or tamper with. This is what makes the whole system transparent and trustworthy. So, how does sending crypto actually work? When you want to send cryptocurrency to someone, your transaction is announced to the entire network. Thousands of computers, often called nodes, immediately check the transaction to make sure it is valid and that you actually have the funds to send. In many popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, special computers called miners compete to solve a complex mathematical puzzle. The first one to solve it gets to confirm the transaction, add it to the next block on the blockchain, and as a reward for their work, they earn newly created coins. This process is how new cryptocurrency enters circulation. One of the biggest ideas behind crypto is the removal of the middleman. With traditional money, if you want to send funds to someone, especially internationally, you have to go through a bank. The bank processes the transaction, takes a fee, and it can sometimes take days. Because crypto operates on a peer-to-peer network, you can send money directly to anyone, anywhere in the world. This can often be much faster and cheaper than using traditional banking systems, as you're cutting out the intermediary fees and processing times. So why are people so interested in crypto? Well, the reasons vary. Many people treat cryptocurrencies as an investment similar to stocks, hoping their value will increase over time. Others use it for practical purposes, like making online payments or sending money across borders without high fees. It's also the backbone for new technologies like smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts, and decentralized finance or DeFi, which aims to rebuild traditional financial systems on the blockchain. But it's important to understand that it's not all smooth sailing. Cryptocurrencies are famous for their price volatility. Their value can swing up and down dramatically in a very short time, which can lead to big gains but also big losses. And because the space is still new and not as regulated as traditional finance, there are risks to consider, like security vulnerabilities and evolving legal landscapes. Despite the challenges, cryptocurrencies are already being used in the real world. Some people use them to buy everyday goods and services, and a growing number of businesses are starting to accept them as payment. As the technology continues to develop and more people and companies adopt it, many experts believe cryptocurrency will play an even bigger role in the future of finance and the internet. So let's do a quick recap. Cryptocurrency is digital money that isn't controlled by any single entity. It runs on a secure and transparent system called the blockchain. Transactions are verified by a network of computers, not by banks. And while it offers exciting opportunities, it also comes with significant risks. If you're curious to learn more, a great next step is to understand the basics of crypto wallets and exchanges. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you get a better grasp on crypto, please hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. See you there.